This iPhone 6s Plus goes on and off on its own, which simply means it glitches. One might think is the phone that is truly the problem, but actually it's something else, and I'm going to be showing you the solution to this problem. First thing we have to do is this.
Like and subscribe.
First, we have to dismantle the phone. That's by removing the two screws which is below the iPhone. Once you remove the first one, then you remove the second one, then before we can now be able to open the phone. Then the next thing we have to do is that we have to open the phone from below the frame, which is close to the charging system. We have to open it. Then if we are done opening, but before you can open it, some of them are a little pretty hard. That's if it has not been opened. Like this one you are seeing, you can see some glue, some gums at the edges, which means it's very hard, so you have to be very careful while opening the phone. And while we are opening the phone, then after opening the phone, then the next thing we have to do is this. Then we have to look at the phone to know where the problem is. But in this particular problem, the solution is with the battery, because when I open it, I saw that the battery is a little bit swollen. So we're going to be trying to change the battery to see if the phone works normal. First, we have to remove the battery connector, which is what I'm losing right now. After losing, before I can now be able to do what? Then remove the battery. But before you remove the battery, you have to disconnect the battery connector. So I will have to remove the battery now. At times the battery is hard. Some used to have some strap on it, but this one, it seems it doesn't have. That means they've changed the battery before. So at times it's hard, but let's see if it will remove. Okay, it has already removed. So after removing the battery, as you can see, the battery is a little bit swollen. After removing it, then we have to replace the battery with another phone. This is the old battery which I'm showing you. This one you're seeing here. Then I will be showing you the new battery, which is this one. So I'll be fixing the new battery inside the phone to test and see if everything will work perfect, to know if it will still restart on its own. If it doesn't restart, that means the problem was all through from the battery. But if it works perfect, that means then we have to fix the new battery permanently. And after fixing the battery, we connect it, then we have to power on the phone to see if it will come up. This might take some little time, but it will come. As you can see, it's coming up, it's working perfect. And what it simply means that the problem was from the battery. So whenever you come across such problem, most time it will be the battery. Here, please click on the description link to watch more videos.